he played with his rifle. Pussy put his ass to sleep. Now we calling me Nyko. Now that bang, bang, bang. I let him hit it cause he slang cocaine. He twists my salad like his name, Romaine. And when we done, I make him buy me Romaine. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he say? He can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my automobile. Let him eat it with his grills. He keep telling me to chill. He keep telling me it's real that he love my sex appeal. He said he don't like I'm bony. He wants something he can grab. So I pull up in the Jag, made weather with the jab like dun 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 dun.
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Oh my gosh, look at her butt. Oh my gosh, look at her butt. Oh my gosh, look at her butt. Look at her butt.
Choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, oh, if you fold it up, eh, tamina, mina, sangarewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, this time for Africa.
Oma lahkeid taevasiniseid silmi pean ma varjama mustade päikeseprillide taha. Mitte et ma midagi kardaksin, vaid et mind õigesti mõistetaks. Päike on erakordselt tere. Minu elu möödub rahulikult ja turvaliselt. Vahel tuleb tundide kaupa mõne prominendi või vasevaguni kõrval seista. Harva õhtu pimeduses võib end vabamalt tunda ja mõnele napsitanud tülinorijale pasunasse anda. Kuid selle kõige juures tuleb jääda soliidseks, vaosoituks, rahulikuks. Sest mina olengi turvamees vabaduse puiesteel. Pisikese maja ees seisab BMW. Turvamees, must ülikond ja lips on ees. Raha eest teeb tegusid me.
Yeah!